and welcome to another video. So for those who don't know me, my name is Sarah. I post sewing tutorials, fashion videos, as well as cosplay tutorials. In this video, we're going to do something a little bit different than the usual sewing tutorial. I went to SmashCon last year and I haven't actually unboxed the stuff that I got. So it's been sitting in this box for ages. So let's unbox it all together. To start off, let's go with this guy. Can anybody guess where this little guy is from? Let me know in the comments. First person to get it right gets a star. This is the Yayamiko keychain that you can get on Genshin Wales. How cute is she? I've worn her a few times with bags as an accessory. Very cute, and I've just actually doubled this up by doing that. And then you've halved the length of the keychain. You can go around a couple of times and it'll make it shorter. And it looks quite nice with a white bag. And I've gotten heaps of compliments with it. We got a baby seahorse. So I got these two as patches, as well as these two. I've been watching Demon Slayer and it's been really good to watch, especially when you're doing a long sewing project. I also have these ones here, which when I was younger I used to play a heap of Pokemon. I thought this would be a really good idea to have on a thrifted denim jacket and just put it on the back, which I've always loved these starter Pokemon. I've got in here a keychain. So another Demon Slayer one, and it's really cool. We've got this on the back. Completely hand painted on real leather. The shop that I got that one from was called Debbie Diva. It's on here, you can see. That's the shop that I got it from. And how cute is this bag? I did actually really want to buy some shoes from her. However, they didn't fit. Like, it wasn't the right size, but it was absolutely gorgeous. It was Demon Slayer themed again, but the shoes were too big for me. I got Aoife. How cute is that? So this was from this person here. They did have another one, which I really liked, but oh, maybe this is it. Admit one clip here. I got this as well. These two stands were right next to each other, so I got both just in case. Both are really good artists, and I got that keychain from this one here. So I went to this other store, I can't remember what it's called. I did take a video of it. So we got these gorgeous keychains. How beautiful are they? We got this Tamagotchi one, as well as this 3DS keychain, and it opens up. How cute is this? I also did get some stickers that would probably be a little blast from the past for any watchers that used to play this game as well. So we got those stickers. Can match either the blue Nintendo DS or the pink Nintendo DS. And you just stick it on your Nintendo DS keychain. For me, because I had a German Shepherd dog growing up, I always had the German Shepherd as one of the pets. I think I called her after my German Shepherd that we had. That was Gemma. And I did also have a few of the other dogs as well. And that one, I think, yes. I also played this Labrador one as well. I think I called her Lily. Never had a Labrador, but one of my favourites, German Shepherd and that one. I think I also had this one. I had a whole bunch of dogs and kept some of them in storage and kept my favourites in the house. That one. These were all discounted because they weren't as popular and it was before the movie came out. And we also get this one. I thought this one was so cute. Let me put that right. See, she's got different. She's holding the bamboo on one side and smiling on the other side. The next ones I've got are Minecraft themed ones. I literally got so many packets until I got this one specific one. I wanted the dog one and I had to get it. So first one I actually got it was a little bit addictive and I kind of got a bit carried away, but I didn't get a heap amount. I only got 3, but I did get the one that I wanted in the end. First off, I got the zombie chicken, jockey? I can't remember what it's called. Anyway, we got that one first. And I was like, oh damn it, didn't want that. I wanted this one specific one. I wanted the dog one. And we got the cat, which was cute. Nice little addition, but I was still very determined to get the dog. And then, third time lucky, I got the dog in the boat. So yes, I got those 3. There was a set that you could buy, but I was keychained out and I just wanted to get this one, but then I ended up getting 3, so it probably wouldn't have mattered if I did buy the whole set. I got a cat bus. Open that up. Some of these were actually really decent priced as well. Look how cute that is. I move my face away. There we go. Look how cute that is. But this person had a few Studio Ghibli stuff. It was actually quite nice. Like, they had a distinct art style and I actually thought it was quite cute and unique. So this brand, this artist was Sunsun. Have a look on the package. The next ones I got, I can't remember what this artist is called. So we've got this one. This is Citlali from Genshin Impact. The next one is Aoife from Genshin Impact as well. And the last one, I actually didn't get anything to attach this because I've got the Geo Vision and a clip that I could use anyway, that I can just switch out of what I've got already. Then I got this one from Two Vines. We open this. I got Feixiao from Honkai Star Rail. If I can move. There we go. And how cute is that part of the keychain? It's a love heart. We've got Feixiao and also her Path of the Hunt. Then I got this keychain. I wanted it the year before, but I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. But they had all but one of the pieces that I wanted. So I went this year and they had it, so I got it straight away. I did not waste any time for this one. What does it say? It's pretty film. Okay. So look how cool is this. A very long keychain, just probably not going to be going on a bag or anything, but just for decoration. It looks so cool. I'll show you. So they are all it. Then I'll show you close. So we've got the different slimes. These are all from Genshin. And the green one. And the last one is a Giyu one. So they are all the different slimes. They also made a different one as well, which I saw and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get, because Fontaine is my favourite region of Genshin Impact. So we've got all the animals here. So we've got starting with Nivelet's otter, and then the different sea creatures as well. I also got some keychains, more keychains, of course. So this is from one of my favourite artists. I've gotten keychains from them for a number of years now. So this is the first one, which this character is Xilonen from Genshin Impact. Not only did I love their designs, but because of this small detail that you'll notice here. I've got both eyes open in here on this side, but if you flip it, she's winking. How cool is that? I try to get characters that I like or I plan to one day make. Here's another one. Again, changing the design based on the character, and she changes her hair as she lights on fire. Such an amazing detail to include. And for the last one I got from this artist was this one. This is a character from Genshin as well, and this character is a seamstress. So what better fitting character to get where I also sew. I also got some cards as well. They were on sale and I thought that's cool. I've never actually gone deeply into cards. I've just collected them because like if they're pretty cards, I'll collect it. I got lucky with a few. I got these ones. So they just come in these packets here. All in Chinese. But some of these are actually quite nice designs. So we've got that one. I only got two characters. And back to these characters. And the last things that I got from Smash were some posters. Oh dear. I think this is from the same artist. Yes. I also got some free stickers as well. From this person here. I got a free koala, a free My Nintendo Dog sticker, as well as these stickers. That's from the brand that are like my favourite keychains. Some of the artists actually gave some nice things out for free. So one of them actually gave this. How beautiful that. It's a print of a character called Ayaka. At this other store, I bought these. Some of these, I bought 2 from the year before because I just wanted to show you how gorgeous these are. So I got these 2 the year before. And they're tarot cards. Tarot cards. But I just use them as bookmarks as well. They can either be used as tarot cards or bookmarks. And this was the other one that I got this year. I have never watched this show. However, I really liked the design, so I bought it. But I do intend on watching it one day. And they have different sparkles as the light hits them. I got these from another artist. This is the first one. This is the second one. And this is the third one. So if you want to know where these characters are from, they're actually from a game called Hollow Knight. And they're actually quite pretty, these designs. And here's some more that I forgot to show you. We got this big print, which goes quite nicely with these 2 prints. Then the last prints that I got, there's actually a few. We've got this one, then this one here, and this one. I also got some more mini prints. So we've got Navia. This is the character that I completely finished her cosplay. I made everything from scratch. None of it was store-bought. I've made it all by hand and machine. Definitely a learning curve learning this, so I'm so glad that I got my hands on a print so I can look at my wall and go, wow, I actually made this cosplay. Like, this is a hard costume to make, and I did it. So yes, this will be going on the wall for sure. If you're interested in cosplay making and sewing, I have 8 parts of how I made this cosplay that goes through every single detail, step by step of how I did it. If you're interested in learning how I actually made this cosplay, definitely check out the videos that I've posted. And I also got this one and this one. And the last posters that I purchased from SmashCon 2025 are these ones here. We've got this one, as well as this one. Both of these are from Genshin Impact as well. You've probably already seen them. Oh no, my light. My light just died. I've been recording for too long. There is a lot that I have purchased. I'll show you, I'll do a little, I don't know, one of those shots that goes over everything. I'll do that, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. There will be another one of these videos very, very soon. It was definitely fun going through all the shops and looking at absolutely everything. Like, it took a long time to look through everything, but it was definitely worth it. It was very exhausting, but we found some really cool stuff. If you like this video, highly recommend you checking out my other videos. Please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. That'd be absolutely awesome. If you don't want to do any of that at all, that is totally fine. You just being here is more than enough. Thank you so much. Bye for now.